Agile is not a mindset. If you want to change your mindset, go to therapy or find a guru. Agile is a distinctive kind of project management approach. Agile was created because the previous kinds of project management that worked well for building ships and skyscrapers didn't work very well for building software. Software projects have too many unique tasks, too many tasks that have never been done before. Estimating those tasks is too difficult. The estimates are too unreliable. Project plans were always needing to be revised. This created an untenable workload for project managers. Agile project management short circuits this problem through iterating towards project completion. Each iteration is planned tactically. Tasks are assigned to people within each iteration instead of across a comprehensive project plan. This adds agility. That's why it's called Agile. It just works better that way. If you never studied other kinds of project management, you wouldn't know why Agile works better than those kinds that worked less well for software development projects. It's not a matter of preference. It's not a matter of opinion. Least of all, is it a mindset? Wait, it gets worse. If you don't know why Agile is good for software development, you also don't know why you should not use it for many other kinds of projects. Even if your business creates a lot of software, you don't want every project to be an Agile project. That's how quantifiably useful ideas like lean manufacturing, which minimizes capital tied up in work in progress, turned into a pernicious management fad where lean thinking and a lean mindset is encouraged when applied outside domains that for which lean was designed.